Let's pluck some fresh mangoes from my mango tree. May season, mango season. Wow, I love mangoes. Slicing some organic fresh mangoes. Juicy, juicy. We are making the traditional Mango Sheera. Yellow, yellow, orange, orange mangoes. Quickly heat the pan and pour a small cup of homemade clarified butter in it. Add a cup of jara rava, that is suji or semolina. We will cook the suji on low flame and roast it till it becomes golden brown. Take a small cup of milk and half cup water, mix it and keep it on a boil. Do you know mango leaves have antibacterial properties? Add the boiled mixture to the preparation. Adding milk adds more taste and flavor to it. Always add a pinch of salt to any sweet preparation to enhance the taste. Add 1 gram Kashmiri saffron. Lots of taste and fragrance. Cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Add a cup of fresh mango pulp and mix it well. Add a cup of fresh mango slices. Make it more appetizing. Add just 2 spoons of sugar. Don't make it too sweet. Mango Sheera is ready. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Top it up with some dry fruits. Kaju. Mango season and Mango Sheera go hand in hand. Let me know if you like this recipe. What do you want me to cook next? Comment below.